Hi everyone. In this video, I would like to show you step 2 and step 3 of MAARS. In the last video, I showed how to create and access a CCDB file. I'm on the MAARS homepage, again, macrotize.com. You can find out more about MAARS here. MAARS is an intelligent access application writing software. So in the three-step um, application writing, first step is to create a ACCDB file, second step is to enable macros, and third step is to write the actual application. So in this video, I'm going to show you this step. So I have here MAARS open. I already have done step 1 and I have also done step 2, which is basically says enable macro in the application that I'm going to be writing, basically this ACCDB file that was created. So let's take this step 3. Now what this is going to expect when I click on this, it's going to expect an Excel file with table definitions. So I have created an Excel file with the table definitions, and let me just show you what I am working with. Let's see if I can find it. So I have here a Northwind database. I reverse engineered it and I got the table definitions that is part of the Northwind database. Just to show you, this Excel file has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 tables. Okay, customer table, employees, inventory, invoices, order details, all of these tables. So I'm going to use this as the input file for step 3. Now the data has to be like this. You have to have a field name, data type, field size, and you basically specify what are the fields in your table, what are the data types, and what is the field size. And one table per tab. It has to be in this format. Okay, so once I have that, what's going to happen? I have 9 different tables. Um, Once I click on this button here, it's going to ask me for my source database and my source Excel file. So let's do it. So here it is asking me, please select your access database you created in step number 1. If you remember, I created this one and saved here somewhere. Let's see. So Rapid Links Media, that was the database that I created. So let's open this. So that's it says you are going to work with this database. And then the next step it's going to ask me is to where my Excel file is. So now it's open that Links Media behind the scene, and then it's asking me to open my Excel file. So I go look for my Excel file here. Let's find the Excel. So this is the one that contains 9 tables. I'll open this. And it says there are 9 worksheets. Do you want to proceed? Let's do it. So here is the magic happening. You will notice something going on, and basically what is happening here, this database has opened, this is MAARS, it has actually opened this other database here, and it's writing this application. It's actually taking input from this table, from this Excel file. So here what is happening is literally one access database working with another access database, writing an application, taking the Excel as the input. It's a very interesting concept if you think about it. And I'm just going to go to this so you can see what is happening. I'm going to minimize. So here you can see this database is almost like a self writing itself, you know, and that would be pretty neat. After once it is done, you'll see how that works. So it is going on, and it basically, you can tell from the messages here that it's writing report, and it's writing tables, it's writing forms. All of this is happening sort of automatically. And as a programmer, software engineer, to me, that is fascinating to see that an Access application can write itself. So it's going to be just about a minute or so. It all depends on the speed of the computer that you're working with. So here you can see that I have created all these tables, and and it's asking me what do I want to give the name of my dashboard. So let's just call it um, Rapid Links Media. So now it's writing the dashboard. All right, there you go. So it completed, basically, it wrote a completely new application. It says, welcome to Rapid Links Media, a MAARS powered application. Yep, this form was written by MAARS. Now if I click on get started, so here you can see it's a fully functional application. Now in this application that we just created, you can say it says auto created, Rapid Links Media. That's the name of the form. Um, Here, all the data entry forms. It created all the reports. It created the reports to be seen in the normal view, all of the queries that it created in the database. So it's really amazing what it did. So let me just open like the customer form that it created. So here you can see it created the customer forms form because it has so many fields. It has like 17 fields. It actually created a tabbed um, control on the form. In the second page, it put the few of the field in the first page. Now, as a developer, all you have to do is just rearrange them. None of the code needs to be rewritten because everything works here. If you click on this, it will export the data to Excel. If you want to export it to Word, it's going to export it to Word. You can exit the form, So if you really amazing stuff, and if you double click on it, it closes the form, and that's all written by the code. So let's go into the report. So if I want to look at, let's say, my employees portrait report, so it wrote the report also, in this format. So all you have to do is go to the report and modify the layout. That's all. So basically, what this little um, program that we have um, developed here, what it did is with the press of a button, it ended up creating a fully functional Access application here, including all the forms, all the reports, all the queries, and it's also organized very nicely. As a developer, all you have to do, open any of the form. For example, go, let's say the customer form, you want to rearrange the field, you can just simply go ahead and rearrange the fields. Let's say I want to move them here. Um, and then simply save it. That's it. That's all you need. So fully functional application in minutes instead of days. Hope you find this useful, and you can use to speed up your own development time. Thank you for watching.